Hi everyone. In this video series, I'm going to share how I used Modular Kit from Cuore Pizza Ovens to construct my wood-fired pizza oven, including all the materials used, where I purchased them, and what was the cost involved. Stay tuned. In this episode, we are going to cover how to insulate pizza oven dome. This kit does come with the basic insulation material, including the chicken wire. So I'm just applying a thin layer using all the insulation material that came with the kit. I read at least one customer review on Amazon that they had to apply an extra layer of insulation and they were happy with the results. So just looking at the material that came with the kit, I also decided to include a second layer of insulation. I'm using ceramic fiber insulation. This was a 2 feet by 25 feet long sheet. And then I'm using a regular scissor to cut the stripes into smaller pieces so that it fits nicely on the dome. I use the chicken wire mesh that came with the kit as the first layer. I used tie wire to make a big loop on the base, and then using small pieces of the wire, tying the chicken wire to that base loop to keep everything in place. And since that chicken wire did not feel that durable, I decided to apply a metal lath. This is 2 by 8 feet metal lath, and it feels durable and strong. It will help us with the shape of the dome as well as providing strength and durability. Once again, I'm using my Ryobi cutoff tool to make the stripes so that metal lath can fit nicely onto the dome and forms a nice round shape. For the top portion of the dome, I had to cut a small piece with some overlap with the existing mesh layer, and then using the tie wire, just tied them together. End result was a nice thick insulation layer with a round mesh on the top. With insulation in place, we are ready for the stucco layer in our next episode.
Like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.